Close your eyes gently. Take a slow, steady breath in and exhale fully. Let your body begin to soften. Let your thoughts begin to quiet. Let this moment become your space to receive. Today is not about forcing answers. It's about allowing clarity. It's about aligning your energy with the career that's meant for you. You are not just looking for a job. You are preparing to receive an opportunity that fits who you are, your strengths, your vision, your values. You are not behind. You are becoming. Everything you've been through has led you here, wiser, more prepared, more aligned. Repeat these affirmations silently or out loud. Let them drift into your subconscious with each breath. I am ready for aligned opportunities. I attract roles that match my gifts and purpose. The right job is already seeking me. I release what no longer fits and welcome what's meant for me. My energy leads me to the right place at the right time. I am magnetic to the right people, teams, and companies. Now visualize the version of yourself already in that ideal role. Picture the space. What does it look like? What does your daily rhythm feel like? Notice how confident and clear you are. How supported you feel. How much your work feels like a reflection of who you truly are. Let that image sink deeper into your body. You are not imagining a fantasy. You are connecting with your next reality. One breath at a time. One action at a time. Visualize a door gently opening in front of you. Behind it is your next role. You don't need to push it open. You simply need to walk toward it, grounded in your truth. Take a few more slow, steady breaths. Let your nervous system settle. Let your thoughts quiet. Let your energy speak louder than your doubt. Repeat once more, softly and steadily. The right job is already aligning with me. I am prepared, I am powerful, and I am ready. When you feel complete, begin to bring awareness back to your body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Roll your shoulders. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Move into your day with intention, not pressure. The work is already working. You are already becoming. And what's meant for you is already on its way.